Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart for the bullish and bearish overview scenarios, we have of course an impulse toward the upside, finishing wave A or wave 1. After both case scenario, we'd like to see of course 3 corrective wave W, X and Y. In this case scenario, finishing potentially here a wave 2 as of course 1, 2 and then 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, or a wave B, of course, in the blue scenario. Don't forget that this can shift later on for the bearish. That's why they were there. But currently, we're still here. Yeah, so we are still potential in 1, 2, and after an impulse here where we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, ABC required, and then of course moving for higher or WXY. Yeah. Now, if we are, of course, shifting into bearish, much more bearish, meaning a longer correction, the blue box, where you would like to take the low here at the 1-to-1 fib level 162, 150. Yeah, very psychological target, as you can see, for a very regular flat here, and then moving toward the upside. In this case scenario, this bear market might transform, of course, into a complex structure. I'm going to explain it a little bit in the overview before, of course, we move inside it. So in the overview, you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and potentially 3 waves down for W, X, and Y. Or it can be, of course, something much more complicated. It is a kind of like a W, X, a Y, X, and a Z. And this wave Z can be, of course, a zigzag. However, bigger WXY would be preferably, because the Z is a very, very rare case scenario, and I prefer, of course, to stay out of it until, of course, we invalidate all the scenarios before. Here we go. So we have a WX and a Y inside the 4-hour chart. We have, of course, 3 waves down for the W, 3 waves up for the X. We're looking for a wave Y to hit perfectly, of course, as a zigzag here, because we have kind of like an impulse, correction, impulse, potentially hitting the 1-to-1 and 1.05 at the $150 for TAO. We are currently on the 1-hour chart for the micro here. We are, of course, inside this triangle. This triangle is a very, very typical triangle, as you can see. And potentially that even our wave D has extended to this side. Yeah, so potentially this is what we got. You know, the triangles always love to expand in time. So A, B, C, D, and an E. Potentially, therefore, continuation toward the downside. Now, what is the key level for the bullish scenario? The key level for the bullish scenario is this invalidation. Yeah, starting from here. So invalidation of a triangle. But does it mean bullish? No, of course not yet. But it is a possibility that it start to switch the possibilities for bullish. Yes, by taking the high. And what are the possibilities for bullish? I would say the possibility for bullish is, of course, when we hit higher than this fib level. Here we go. The 1-to-1 fib level, yeah, that you would like to, of course, run away from it. Running flat, wave C, sorry. Wave C, not running flat, regular flat. Here we go. So, yeah, I would say a bullish, much more bullish scenario would be the following. Hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning A, B, and a C, in case your wave B is this triangle here. Yeah, so it might unfold a triangle as wave B and then wave C toward the upside. And of course, having a target potentially for a wave C, yeah, potentially, of course, to hit the 1-to-1 fib level and then continuation toward the downside. Yeah, so be careful with it. It might be the scenario, you know, you don't forget that you are in a wave Y. Your wave Y has to be a zigzag. We have got kind of like an impulse here, and we're looking for another impulse toward the downside. Yeah. So these are the possibilities, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. It can be 1, 2, 3 even. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I think, yeah, definitely we are in WXY, guys. This is a structure. Even this impulse is very, very weird. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, finishing wave A, correction, 3 waves down. Invalidation of impulse. So definitely we are in a very complex structure. So yeah, wave C is the most likely scenario. Yeah. In case, of course, we move for higher, we might hit, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level and to be re-estimated. Now, the bullish scenario, not 100%, but 80%. Yeah, 80% is higher than this 300 1-to-1 fib level. Meaning, in this case scenario, you're looking, of course, for a new all-time high. Yeah. Very simple. A new all-time high. We might reach already the scenario here, but yeah, I doubt it, guys. When you see triangle like this after a trend towards the downside, definitely there is more down prices. Yeah, even if we move a little bit higher, we might come back. Okay, so that was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and trade safe today. It's gonna be very volatile. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.